Welcome to our comprehensive video guide designed to help you master the NEBOSH International General Certificate, IGC. In this guide, we'll focus on essential safety principles crucial for both seasoned safety professionals and those new to the field of occupational health and safety. The NEBOSH IGC is a prestigious qualification recognized globally, aimed at providing a broad understanding of key health and safety issues across various industries. Mastering this certificate requires a deep comprehension of fundamental safety principles applicable in diverse workplace environments. Understanding the NEBOSH International General Certificate. The NEBOSH International General Certificate, IGC, is renowned for its comprehensive coverage of health and safety topics. Developed by the National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health, NEBOSH, this qualification is highly respected and sought after by employers worldwide. It equips candidates with the knowledge and skills necessary to identify, evaluate, and control a wide range of workplace hazards effectively. Importance of safety principles. Safety principles serve as the foundation upon which effective health and safety management systems are built. These principles provide a framework for assessing risks, implementing control measures, and promoting a culture of safety within organizations. Regardless of the industry or workplace setting, adherence to safety principles is essential for safeguarding the well-being of employees, contractors, and the public. Key safety principles covered in the NEBOSH IGC. Understanding risk assessment. In the NEBOSH IGC curriculum, thorough comprehension of risk assessment processes forms the cornerstone of workplace safety. Candidates delve into the intricacies of identifying hazards, evaluating risks, and implementing tailored control measures. This comprehensive approach ensures that potential dangers are identified and mitigated effectively, reducing the likelihood of accidents and injuries in the workplace. Hazard identification. One of the primary aspects covered is the identification of hazards across various work environments. Candidates learn to recognize both obvious and subtle hazards, including physical, chemical, biological, and ergonomic risks. This skill is crucial for creating a safe working environment where all potential threats are addressed proactively. Risk evaluation. Assessing the level of risk associated with identified hazards is another critical component. NEBOSH IGC equips candidates with methodologies to evaluate risks systematically, considering factors such as severity, likelihood, and potential consequences. This enables informed decision-making regarding the prioritization of control measures. Control measure implementation. NEBOSH IGC emphasizes the practical application of control measures to mitigate identified risks. Candidates learn to develop and implement strategies tailored to specific workplace scenarios, considering the hierarchy of control. By adopting measures such as elimination, substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and personal protective equipment, PPE, organizations can effectively manage risks and enhance workplace safety. Prioritizing safety through hierarchy of control. The NEBOSH IGC underscores the importance of prioritizing control measures based on their effectiveness in risk mitigation. This hierarchical approach guides candidates in selecting the most suitable interventions to minimize workplace hazards and protect employees from harm. Elimination and substitution. At the top of the hierarchy lie elimination and substitution, which involve removing or replacing hazards altogether. Candidates learn strategies to identify opportunities for eliminating hazards from the workplace or substituting them with safer alternatives, thereby reducing the risk at its source. Engineering controls. Engineering controls focus on modifying the work environment or equipment to minimize exposure to hazards. NEBOSH IGC equips candidates with knowledge of various engineering solutions, such as ventilation systems, machine guarding, and noise reduction measures, to create safer working conditions. Administrative controls. Administrative controls involve implementing policies, procedures, and training to manage risks effectively. Through NEBOSH IGC, candidates gain insights into developing robust safety protocols, conducting regular inspections, and providing comprehensive training programs to ensure compliance and promote a culture of safety. Personal protective equipment, PPE. While PPE serves as a crucial last line of defense, NEBOSH IGC emphasizes its role within the hierarchy of control. Candidates learn to assess PPE requirements, select appropriate equipment, and ensure its proper use and maintenance. By integrating PPE with other control measures, organizations can enhance overall safety and protect workers from residual risks. Ensuring legal compliance. Compliance with health and safety legislation is imperative for organizations to operate responsibly and avoid legal repercussions. The NEBOSH IGC curriculum equips candidates with an in-depth understanding of relevant laws, regulations, and standards governing workplace safety. Regulatory framework. Candidates explore the legal framework surrounding occupational health and safety, including local and international regulations applicable to their industry. They learn to interpret legal requirements, identify compliance gaps, and implement corrective measures to ensure adherence to prescribed standards. Best practices. In addition to legal obligations, NEBOSH IGC familiarizes candidates with industry best practices and guidelines for enhancing safety performance. By incorporating these practices into their operations, organizations can go beyond mere compliance to achieve excellence in occupational health and safety management. Fostering a culture of safety. Creating a culture of safety is paramount for instilling a proactive mindset among employees and fostering a work environment where safety is prioritized at all levels. NEBOSH IGC provides candidates with the knowledge and tools to cultivate such a culture within their organizations. Leadership commitment. Effective safety leadership is crucial for setting the tone and direction of safety initiatives within an organization. Candidates learn the importance of leadership commitment to safety, including active participation, resource allocation, and leading by example to inspire and motivate employees. Employee engagement. Engaging employees in safety processes empowers them to take ownership of their own safety and that of their colleagues. NEBOSH IGC explores strategies for involving employees in hazard identification, risk assessment, and safety decision-making, fostering a sense of responsibility and accountability. Continuous improvement. NEBOSH IGC emphasizes the need for continuous improvement in safety performance through regular evaluation, feedback, and adaptation. Candidates learn to implement mechanisms for monitoring safety metrics, analyzing incidents, and implementing corrective actions to drive ongoing improvement in safety culture and performance. Communication and collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration are essential for promoting a culture of safety where information flows freely and teamwork is valued. NEBOSH IGC equips candidates with communication skills to convey safety messages effectively, foster collaboration across departments, and build trust and cooperation among team members. By embracing these key safety principles covered in the NEBOSH IGC, organizations can create safer workplaces, protect their employees from harm, and enhance overall organizational performance. In conclusion, mastering the NEBOSH IGC requires a comprehensive understanding of essential safety principles, including risk assessment, proper use of PPE, knowledge of relevant regulations, emergency preparedness, and effective communication. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into mastering the NEBOSH IGC. Stay safe, and best of luck on your journey towards becoming a proficient safety professional.